The leaf is the most important part which enables the plant to make its own food. Blade. This is the broad flat part of the leaf where photosynthesis occurs. Petiole. The stalk that attaches the leaf blade to the stem. Midrib. The central vein running through the middle of the leaf. Veins. These form a network that distributes water and nutrients. Margin. The edge of the leaf which can be smooth, serrated or lobed. Apex. The tip of the leaf. Each part plays a crucial role in the leaf's function.